Feel you're loved, distorted view. Goodbye, good night.